Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background picture in Adobe Photoshop. So get ready started. At first, open your Adobe Photoshop document. In this video, I will show remove background image. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open. Now select from picture. Now find your picture. Now select from picture, then click for open. Now open the file. Now you can see, then I show the open file, this picture in the background. Now I can see, now select from magic eraser tool option. Now click from mouse right button, then select from magic eraser tool. Now select from background. Now click from background in the remove in it. That it's. Now you can see remove background image in Photoshop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.